Where'd my bike go? Oh, it's up there. All right, we got the bike fixed. So the oh, maybe. Did it cut out again? It cut out again?
As soon as I turned, it cut off.
Oh shit! I thought you fixed it. Well, that was an awkward intro. All right, we thought we got the bike fixed. Thank God we didn't leave. But the Grom squad showed up, so I'm gonna switch over to the Grom. Give you guys some of that. Louis is gonna continue to work on this. I bought Costco size thing of 30 amp fuses because it was blowing it. And I guess I got the big bikes. Louis is gonna do his thing. But we're gonna continue the ride, so don't worry. We're just we got Grom camouflage now. Oh, it works. Jesus Christ. DRZs. Beep beep. I think Louis figured out the issue, so I'm gonna let him ride the DRZ for a minute, because if he blows a fuse again, he can fix it real quick. Is it good? It scrapes easy, right?
It's not far back.
Yeah, it's not far back at all. Yeah, get yourself right. There you go. Double knot that thing. All right, we're gonna ride with the Groms for a bit. What's up? What's up?
That was close.
Let's get a video of you hitting the 12 bar.
Okay. I'll try to do it like right here. We'll see. I gotta like be smooth. Oh, I get it. I get it. Hey, you don't flex on me. That's so sketchy. So anyway, here's the new DRZ color plastics. We got the Goonies tag there, black and white theme. So Drew Drew welded on the plate for the titanium. So what was happening is I was scraping this down when I first got scrapes on the DRZ, so I started to scrape that down. So I had Drew weld this on, then we powder coat this all white. Looks nice. I powder coated this black. Look at that. You notice that? That's black now. It was gold.
Oh,
I did that. Semi-pro. And what else? I took off the pink spokes. I put a new fender on. That's about it. Oh, I changed the hoses, the radiator hoses are now black. But I think it looks a lot cleaner. Anyway.
Let's go towards that way. We haven't made it past the stadium.
Wherever you want to go, I'm just, you lead.
No!
I'm not leading. Hey, you ready? We're leaving. That way. There you go. Up, watch for traffic. Don't hit the Prelude, bro. Don't hit the antique Prelude. 20-year Prelude? 99? 20? Oh, yeah. To have an antique plate, I think you have to be 20 years old. And now that's 20. A Prelude is an antique now. That's some shit. This isn't the DRZ anymore. Liz! Hello? Hello? Hello?
Okay, okay.
Yo. She feeling okay now?
Yeah.
Give him the pop. Green light. Stop fucking around, Lewis. Stay back. This is Grom ride, bro. Grom ride. Oh, bullshit. Look at these one-handers. What? All day long, bro. All day long I got this shit. And to the third. Shift to the third. Look at that. Get back up here. Get back up here. Ah, you bitch. Oh my God. I hear her. How's it feel? Like the wheelies I'm in.
I gotta get used to it from the ground now. It's got the power.
I know. I got on this. I tried to pull it up. I couldn't pull it up. Go ahead. I'll get in front of you. Right behind you. Oh. Nice. Hit that shit. Woo! That's 32 cents of titanium right there. That's another quarter. Every time you scrape, you owe me a quarter.
Does it spark?
Oh, it sparks good. It sparks real good. Hold on, I'll get some video on the next one. Hey, you know there's a way to, if you double tap your back of your phone, you can set it up to turn your camera on. Watch this.
Watch what?
Hold on. Hold on. Come on, bitch.
Nothing.
Fucking, I'm double tapping. Okay, I'll just press the button. That's probably easier. All right, come up next to me. Yes, it sparks for days. All right, YouTube, we're back on the road, on the streets. Ricky just wants to go around the roundabout up on one. What are you doing? Are we going back this way? Look at Ricky. Ricky's so confused. We're going straight now? Or we're still going? What are we doing? I'm not leading this shit. All right, fuck it, I'm going. I just don't want to lead this shit. There's a cop station up here. The speedo's not working? That's not good.
No, I think he pulled off the wire or something.
There's a cop right there.
I wasn't doing that.
Oh, that's 50 cents. Oh, 75 cents.
Just keep doing it.
It's like ding, 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 ding. All right, I guess we're leading this ride now. That's what Tyler just kept going around until we lead the ride.
Did he really?
Yeah. Oh my God, I forgot I had this. Yeah. Got the yoke now. There's a new bike looking clean. Hey look, no dirt bike. Turn your lights on and off. Oh, it's Adam. I didn't know it was Adam. Of course he's fucking 12 miles ahead of us with his shitty chasey wheelie. There he goes. Is anybody behind me? Alright. What do you mean? Adam's right next to me.
He's next to you, he ain't behind you, you're good.
He's next to me, that's as dangerous as being fucking behind me. Hey, I just pulled up third. Nice. I just pulled up third like it was nothing. We could turn right here, but we turn right here. Put your blinker on. There goes Adam.
I tried. He just kept going.
He'll figure it out.
I don't know how fast I'm going.
If it feels windy, you're going too fast. Yeah, up here at the stoplight. Oh, yeah. Hold on. I'm doing things here. Dude, I say a third gear street scrape. Let's go. This is definitely faster than the old setup.
Yeah, it's faster, but you don't got no roll in, really.
I don't give a shit. Third gear scrapes? Oh my, dude, third comes up like second now. That's third. And that was like at the top of third. I'm seriously impressed with third gears. It might be because of the cold too. What do you think?
I don't know.
Hey, there goes Adam. Go get him, Adam.
That's not.
Anybody behind me? Okay, never mind. As you fly by me. You see his eyes? His eyes said, oh, that was a little too close. Hey, you're a little close. Yeah. All I see is eyeballs like that. Cop.
Do Willie.
Is that a cop? I can't tell.
I don't know, do Willie.
What's up, man? That guy plays for the Lightning.
He does?
Yeah.
No, he doesn't. That bike is wild. That bike's gonna be...
It's electric.
It's electric?
I don't know. I'm just making shit up now. When I don't know anything, I just make things up. And that's quiet. That's quiet.
Oh yeah, I got
It's quiet, right?
this.
Yeah.
I'll
Alright, let me hear it. Clean. He's gonna let it rip right. What are you doing? Let's have him lead the ride. Yeah, I know. I was like, why didn't that hit? I want to hear this thing open it up. There he goes. Yeah. God. Dude, the shifted thirds are so smooth now. Oh, why am I first? I can't see shit. Bro, I shouldn't be in the front. My headlight's pointing at the grass. Oh. Let's sit right here. Headlights off.
Go to the top.
Go ahead.
I'm not going.
Ha. Yeah, hop it.
Huh?
Hop it. Let's,
Better ride than four.
yeah, it's good. Oh. What's going on with this road?
I don't know.
What the fuck? Oh, what the? What the fuck? What are we doing? Well, the wrong side of the road. What the fuck? I just got chills. I'm good. Hey, cops right there. They're pulling them over. They just look and see a whole bunch of scooters doing wheelies. What about them, officer? Well, we can't catch them. What? All right, guys. What do you think? DRZ is good, right? Yeah. All right, we'll call that one a video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the new DRZ, as limited as you saw me on it tonight. Yeah, we're gonna have to get Lewis to buy new plastic, but that's okay. Damn, you went right through that. I could put bigger washes on it. It's okay. All right, we gotta go. Dynamic security just pulled up. Good ride though. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you in the next one. Hey, cucumber melon. Here's 20 bucks.
Oh my God, I'd give you a hug right
No, I don't want a hug. Just have a good night, man.